Golden, crispy, and addictively delicious. McDonald's fries are known worldwide. But what makes them so special? With a history dating back to the 1950s and an intricate process involving 19 ingredients, there's more to these fries than meets the eye. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind McDonald's world-famous fries, from farm to table. McDonald's started as a barbecue restaurant in the 1940s, and fries were just a side option. But by the 1950s, fries had become a main item at 10 cents, replacing the previous potato chips, and McDonald's began perfecting their flavor and texture. Before the 1990s, McDonald's even cooked their fries in pure beef fat, giving them a unique, savory taste. But as times changed, McDonald's adapted, moving to a vegetable oil blend with beef flavoring, which remains part of their signature taste today. So, what are the 19 ingredients? While it might seem surprising, they all play a specific role in creating the texture, flavor, and color McDonald's is known for. Some ingredients, like potatoes, oil, and salt, are expected, but others, like dextrose and sodium acid pyrophosphate, help the fries maintain their golden color and prevent graying over time. And did you know McDonald's beef flavoring also contains hydrolyzed wheat and milk? This means the fries aren't vegetarian. Believe it or not, your McDonald's fries are not prepared from scratch on site. The chain uses contracted suppliers such as Simplot or Lamb Weston to solve distribution, storage, and quality issues. This innovation allowed McDonald's to maintain consistency across locations. McDonald's is the world's largest buyer of potatoes, using more than 3.4 billion pounds of US-grown potatoes annually. McDonald's fries are made from 100% real potatoes, primarily russet, Burbank, and Shepparton varieties, sourced from farms in the US Pacific Northwest, including Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. Since they're good for their starch content and texture, ideal for crispy fries. Beyond, McDonald's accepts several varieties to ensure consistency: Ranger Russet, Umatilla Russet, Clearwater Russet, and more. These potatoes are grown to McDonald's specific standards for quality and texture. Once harvested, the potatoes head to processing plants like Lamb Weston. They're loaded into a specialized steam peeling machine. Here, they're exposed to high-pressure steam for a few seconds, loosening the skin quickly and effectively. Next, the freshly peeled potatoes move down the line for a thorough wash. High-powered water jets remove any remaining bits of skin, dirt, or other impurities. Each potato passes through an inspection line, where trained workers, or even advanced imaging technology, examine them for any imperfections or defects. PF treatment not only improves cut quality but also substantially reduces breakage in French fries. It leads to reduced water and energy consumption. Blanching, drying, and pre-frying times are shortened. After the potatoes are skinned and washed, they are shot through a high-pressure water tube at 60 to 70 miles per hour. The tube sends them to a series of blades that cut them into French fries. This method creates the uniform shape we recognize. The fries are blanched to remove sugars that could cause burning and to achieve that fluffy texture inside. Next, the fries go through an ingredient dip that includes a small amount of dextrose and sodium acid pyrophosphate. The dextrose, a natural sugar, ensures that every batch of fries has a consistent golden color, whether they're made from early season potatoes or from later harvests. And the sodium acid pyrophosphate prevents the fries from turning gray during the freezing process. It's a common food-safe ingredient used in many processed foods to maintain color stability. Before they're shipped to McDonald's restaurants, the fries are dried with hot air to remove moisture and partially cooked. This first fry creates a crispy shell that helps them maintain their texture. The fries are then flash frozen in a 50-yard freezer tunnel, locking in freshness and preparing them for the journey to McDonald's locations worldwide. Frozen fries go through final quality checks, including inspections for color, size, and texture. They are then packaged, boxed, prepared for shipment to McDonald's restaurants across the globe. Thanks to innovations from suppliers like J.R. Simplot, this system ensures McDonald's can deliver fresh-tasting fries anywhere. At the restaurant, the fries undergo a final fry. This time, they use a vegetable oil blend of canola, corn, soybean, hydrogenated soybean oils, and natural beef flavor. There's also TBHQ, an antioxidant that extends the shelf life of the oil and acts as a preservative for the oil. Citric acid for freshness and more dimethylpolysiloxane to help reduce oil spattering. Each batch is fried for around 3 minutes in high-powered electric. Fryers heated to about 168 degrees Celsius, ensuring a consistent cook every time. McDonald's carefully manages the oil quality. The oil is filtered daily and topped up with fresh oil throughout the day to keep it at peak quality. The restaurant manager uses a color tube guide to monitor the oil's color, which helps them know when it's time to replace it. Once they're perfectly cooked, each batch is lightly salted to enhance the flavors, then portioned for serving. Fries come in 4 sizes in the iconic red fry box. Small at 80 grams, medium at 114 grams, large at 150 grams, and a kid's size. While it might seem like there are a lot of ingredients in McDonald's fries, there are actually only 14 unique ones used throughout the process. Because the potatoes are double fried, so the vegetable oil ingredients may be listed twice. The result: fries that are crispy and golden on the outside, yet perfectly fluffy on the inside. This dedication to quality ensures that every order of McDonald's fries delivers the same great taste from farm to table. And what pairs better with McDonald's fries than a classic dipping sauce or a cold drink? Whether you're enjoying them with tangy ketchup, creamy ranch, or the classic barbecue sauce, there's no wrong way to savor each bite. For many, nothing tops the experience of McDonald's fries with an icy Coke, perfectly balancing that salty, savory flavor with a refreshing sip. McDonald's has spent decades perfecting a balance of sweet and savory in their fries. The oils and beef flavoring create a satisfying umami taste that keeps people coming back for more. The journey from potato farm to your table is complex, involving farmers, suppliers, scientists, and dedicated McDonald's employees. Every fry you eat has gone through rigorous processes to ensure it's up to the same high standards. Thanks for joining us on this in-depth look at McDonald's fries. Be sure to subscribe for more food stories from farm to table.